Hi everyone. So as you know, every time when there is A levels and after A levels, a lot of students as well as parents used to call me or meet me and ask, okay, after A levels, what should we do? What are the kind of streams or the higher educational paths that they should select? So few years ago, as you know, the hot topic was basically IT. Everyone was getting into IT, either software engineering or software development or something related to IT was like the preferred. Now at these days, people are having a little bit of a doubt due to many reasons. Will the same trend or the demand for IT jobs will be there? There are reasons for that as well, because if you follow news closely, you have seen in the last 3 years, there were a lot of layoffs by large organizations globally. And also there was a slowing down of certain services industry. So because of that has an impact to some of the Sri Lankan companies who were kind of expanding or were operating in that space. So there were not many opportunities, and I have seen a lot of people were struggling even to find internships and also as join as freshers for these companies. So in this context, a lot of people have a doubt about what should we do, which path should I take. Now I have as a person who is in this industry for over a decade, what I can confidently say is that IT is here to stay. So all these new developments actually happen, as you all know, with the emergence of, especially because of artificial intelligence, right? The emergence of AI, and some of the jobs, especially routine jobs are getting automated, especially in kind of, in office environment as well as even in IT related jobs as well. Now, for an example, usual software developer who used to write code from scratch those days now would not need to do that. Most of these vibe coding tools or coding platforms would be able to kind of double or triple or sometimes 10x the speed and the productivity of these people. So obviously it has an impact. However, digitalization and IT is here to stay, right? Every company is looking at digitization, and also the new generations who's going to come into the industry. Whatever the industry is going to be, new generation who are digital savvy. So even the old the companies who are operating in manual methods will have to transfer into digitization, or digital transformation will continue. So because of that, there's still going to be a demand for that. Only thing is the traditional skill set that you had, and the traditional jobs that you had in the past will actually vanish, or gradually decrease in the coming years. But then there are many other opportunities coming. So at the end of the day, it's all about solving a problem for a customer or for an organization, right? That's where you will add value. So now the difference will be, you will be basically using all these tools and creating, solving those problems and creating value for clients and customers, right? In this case, so for that you still need to kind of learn, but the only difference is you will have to now these days keep it little broad base. What I meant by broad base is, like, sometimes rather than extremely specializing into one area at the beginning, it's always great for you to look at the breadth also, but have a very sound fundamentals being developed first of all, or learn first the fundamentals. Even to use AI, you need the fundamentals. So you need to look at a degree or some sort of a higher education, kind of a course or something which will give you that foundation, very thorough foundation. But apart from that, you can actually keep it broad based. I mean, you can look at UI UX design, or it could be even cyber security. It can be data analytics, and again, AI related subjects. So like that, you can keep it very broad based, while getting the fundamentals or the foundation right as the foundation. Then of course you should be able to actually get opportunities not only from the IT sector, right? Now, a lot of people are thinking that I need to kind of, pursue an IT degree and work in an IT company. That's not the case. As I mentioned you, it will basically be applied for any company, any domain, any business, any function that you're going to operate. So for an example, you can have an IT degree and work in an HR department also, because HR tech is something is very trending these days. You can do an IT degree and you can get into marketing, and martech is something again very trending these days. So like that, you should be able to apply these degrees and kind of uh, get opportunities for various industries and globally as well as geographically. So to learn more about this, the Future Lanka Research is organizing a seminar series or a workshop series. I recommend all of you all to take part and listen to these subject matter experts and industry leaders and get more knowledge about understanding the future opportunities, so you can look at that and basically plan your career ahead. I wish all of you all the best and see you soon. Thank you.